Good evening, and once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video, I just want us to continue explaining how to write recurring decimals into fractions. And what we have, we are told to change 0.123, and you can see the dot is upon 1 and another one is upon 3. What does that mean? That means that all digits between 1 and 3 are recurring, all of them. All digits between 1 and 3. So it looks like 1, 2, and 3 are recurring. So what is our x? Our x in this case is equals to 0.123123, and we said that we keep multiplying by multiples of 10. Let us just do it so that we can see what happens. 10x is this decimal, just jump one step, which is 1 point. While it is here, the first digit after the decimal point is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There is nothing identical after the decimal point. So we go to 100x. 100x, this decimal point will just jump 2 steps and it will be between 2 and 3. So we are going to have 12.3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And still, this one is starting with 1, this one is starting with 2, this one is starting with 3. Let's go to 1000x. 1000x means this decimal point will jump 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to have 123.123.123. And it's like we have 3 numbers which are identical after the decimal point. We have this one which is displaying 1000x, which is 123.123.123, and we have this x which is also having 123.123 after the decimal point. Now that we have identified the 2 numbers, then we operate both of them. We have to look for the difference between the 2 of them. And what are we having? We are having 1000x, which is equivalent to 123.123 minus a single x, which is equivalent to 0.123, and the difference, as you can see, is 999x, which is now equals to 123, because we get 0 after the decimal point. To get x, we divide both sides by 999, 999, 999, and our x in fraction form is 123 all over 999. If we can simplify further, it's all right, but that is it. There we are. There we are. I would want to say something about this example. Now that we had x, which is 0.123123, and we were looking for 2 numbers which would be identical after the decimal point, automatically we would have known that 10x is not going to have 123.123, and 100x is not going to have 123.123. Automatically 1000x would have given us 123.123, but we cannot assume, because all problems are not to take this course, and I'll explain in the next example as to why we cannot just assume and go direct to a multiple which will give us identity after the decimal point. So there you go. Let's be on the lookout for example 4. Thank you.